What is a tax identification number TIN in Europe? Imagine trying to keep track of thousands of people and businesses for tax purposes. It sounds complicated, but countries have a simple way to do this. That's where a tax identification number comes in. A tax identification number in Europe is a special number given by each country's tax office. It helps identify individuals and companies for tax reasons. Think of it as a unique ID card for taxes. This number makes it easier for tax authorities to manage and check tax reports. It also helps people and businesses stay compliant with tax laws. Every country in Europe issues its own TIN. The format and name can be different depending on where you are. For example, in France, it is called the Numéro Fiscal de Reference or Numéro d'Identifiant Fiscal. In Germany, it is known as the Steuerliche Identifikationsnummer or IDNR. Latvia calls it the Personas codes or personal code. Sometimes the TIN looks different depending on if you are an individual or a business. Germany, for example, issues separate TINs for people and companies. They also have different numbers for intra-community VAT transactions, which are sales within the European Union. Having a TIN is important when you want to open a bank account, pay taxes, or register a business in Europe. When Americans move to Europe for work or retirement, getting a TIN is often one of the first steps. You usually register with the local tax office after you establish residence or start working. You will need your TIN when signing contracts, filing tax returns, or making Social Security contributions. Keep your TIN handy because it is often requested in official documents and correspondence. Without it, managing taxes or business activities can become complicated. In short, a TIN is a key number that helps you stay compliant with European tax rules. Whether you are working, running a business, or retiring, understanding how to get and use your TIN makes life much easier. Each country has its own process, so it's good to check the specific rules where you plan to live or work. This way, you can smoothly handle your financial and legal responsibilities in Europe.